These potato and egg muffin cups are a terrific grab-and-go breakfast or brunch that you can also meal prep or even add to your kids' lunchbox, and it's going to be so delicious. The egg muffins are loaded with lots of vegetables. That means that they're very nutritious and also protein-packed because we have added in eggs. So this is a very nice way that you can make your breakfast in a matter of minutes, and it's effortless, and the outcome is going to be so delicious. The recipe is very basic, and when I say basic, I mean some potatoes, zucchini, tomatoes, coriander. I have some black pepper, garlic powder, salt, some light soy sauce, which is going to add in some umami, and our eggs. So you'll start off by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And I'm going to prep up my baking tin by spraying using baking spray. If you don't have the baking spray, you can simply spread some cooking oil. This is to make sure that the eggs don't stick on the pan. Place aside, and also I'm going to place my muffin tin aside ready for my eggs. I'm going to start off by picking my grater, and because I've already peeled my potatoes and washed the potatoes, I'm going to get straight into grating my potatoes using the large holes. So as you grate your potatoes, be very careful because you don't want to grate your fingers, of course. When you have a small piece, you'll flip the potato and then you'll grate. And when you have a small piece just like this, put it aside because yeah, we want no injuries in the kitchen. And when done grating your potatoes, you're going to squeeze out the water in the potatoes. So I'm going to put on my gloves. And as you can see, the grated potatoes are quite a lot, so it will be enough for this recipe. So I'm going to get a handful of my potatoes and squeeze out the water. Transfer to a bowl, and then I'm going to finish up squeezing all the water from the potatoes. And once done, I'm going to be adding in all the ingredients in a large bowl. So I'm going to start off by cracking my eggs. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using 8 free-range eggs, which will give me a very nice yellow color to my muffin cups. Then I'm going to add in my zucchini, tomatoes, which I've removed the pulp, coriander, my grated potatoes, black pepper and garlic powder, salt, and 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Using a fork, you're going to whisk in all the ingredients until fully combined, and make sure to add in a generous amount of salt so that your muffin cups can be well seasoned. I added in 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce because I want some umami in my muffin cups. The tomatoes and zucchini are going to add in some color because you don't want some boring muffin cups, because this recipe is also perfect for kids. So when everything is fully combined, I'm going to be transferring the batter to my prepped up muffin tin using an ice cream scoop. Make sure to oil your tin because you don't want the eggs to stick. And because I've already done that, I'm going to use my ice cream scoop, which is going to be very easy for me to scoop out the mixture into the muffin cups. Add in a generous amount of the mixture. When done adding in your egg mixture into the muffin cups, you're going to be baking at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And to check if the eggs are ready, the edges of the cups are going to be golden brown in color. This is an effortless recipe, so you'll sit back at your couch and chill, wait for the muffin cups to get ready. Simple flavors, protein loaded, very easy to make with very few steps to follow. These muffin cups are very versatile because you can throw in any vegetables you have in your kitchen and they'll turn out amazing. So hope you'll be trying out the recipe and you will be delighted.